up to today?
Legos.
Legos. Wow, let me see that one. Nice. What does Daddy do best?
Fix things.
Fix things. Alright guys, what is going on today? In this video we got a Carrier multi-head mini split here, and we are adding a fan motor intermediate harness kit, which is inline fuse harness. So in this harness we have a fuse in here. Let's see if we get a kind of a good shot in here. You see possibly it's right in there. So there was a bulletin on Carrier and stating that we got to add this harness in right into this board right next to that capacitor. And they're saying that this bulletin have experienced excessive internal thermal loading that results in damage in motor and other components. So let's go get this part in, guys. All right, so here goes the model and serial number. It does come with a instructional sheet. All right, so this looks like a pretty easy setup. We got the harness here. We're gonna stick this right into here. Ba-ba. Pull that out, stick this right in there, right into the board. Let's go accommodate this right there. And that's it, guys. Pretty easy add-on for the harness.